Okay, so I got 3 new surprise things today. I got 2 LOL surprises and I got a Pikmi Pop. Well, actually, I got 2 Pikmi Pops, but I kind of already opened this one a little bit. It's the Freckles, the walrus. It says, "I couldn't tusk for a better friend." You can't see that. Oh, there we go. Let's see what this guy looks like. Oh, he's cute. For some reason I feel like I have him, but he smells pretty marshmallowy. He's very cute. I like him. He's in good shape too. Sometimes you get him and they're like all messed up. You know what? I think I do have this guy because I think the other one I had, one of these spots right here was like funky and it made him like a weird shape. So maybe it's good that I got a second one. This one is way nicer looking than the other version. So now which one should I open? I think I'm gonna go with the little sister because I keep having a hard time finding these ones in the store. And every time I do find one, I get really excited about it. I already have 3 or 4 of these, so hopefully this will be something new. Let's see what it is. Look at this little sticker. It's kind of cute. I think I have a couple of those already. They give you the same stickers in the Little Sisters and these Pets ones. And the other regular ones too. They all have like the same stickers. They should do something different with those. That would be cool. Let's see what we got. I'm excited. Oh, she's got shiny pants. Oh, she's cute. I like her white hair. She's really cute. And her panties, or her diaper otherwise, is silver. She has purple eyes. That's kind of cool. Let's see what else she came with. Actually, I want to see if I can find her on this paper real quick. Sorry if I sound a little congested. Yeah, Lil Funky Cutie is her name. She's part of the rock club section. Ooh, how do I get rid of that glare? Let's see. You can't even see it. I don't know. Well, hopefully the next video I can make it a little easier to see. Let's see what we got here. And that's just the thing to put it back on. What is this? Oh my gosh. That's so cute. It's a hat. Oh, is she supposed to sit in the hat like that? Because that's really cute. I like that. Oh, and a microphone. It's a little big for her. You know, it might be better for the bigger ones to use the microphone. Oh look, there we go. I got her holding it. And we can put her in the hat. That's cute. I like it. And then of course it comes with the instructions. Just Doesn't really tell you much, but how to like put it together. Oh, and I guess these ones change color. They have color changing things on them, so this, if you put it in water, then it'll change the color of it. That's cool. I'll have to try that out some other time. Maybe I'll make another video with all of the ones that I have that are color changing to see what they do in the water. Oh, I can't get this thing in. There we go. So that's another one to add to my set. And the Pikmi Pop. So now which one should I open? Should I open this one or this one? I don't know. I love the Pets ones. These are probably like my favorite out of all of the LOLs. Is these LOL Pets. So we're gonna open this one. Oh, my sticker got messed up. That sucks. It's got like a little rip on it. I've been putting all of the stickers on my trash can, and I've got quite a good collection of stickers going on there, and it looks really neat. And my goal is to eventually fill up the trash can, like all the sides and the top. So yeah, I get stickers with this one too. And you get 2 stickers with this one. And I've noticed that the ones that I get that are rare, they usually come in a shiny ball. So this makes me think that maybe I'm not getting a rare one today. Let's see. I like to try to feel it to see if I can tell if it's one I have already, which I don't think this is one I have. It feels different. Oh, I do have this one. I don't have her right here. She's in my closet somewhere, but I have this one for sure. That stinks. Darn. Yeah, it's the baby dog, and she has like a little shirt that says, whatever, I'll open it so you can see. And I usually don't open them if it's a duplicate, because I like to leave the surprise for, you know, whoever I give it to, or whoever buys it. Here's her little cup, which is really cute, because it looks like a coffee cup, and it has like a little paper clip holding it on. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little paper clip there. Man, my throat is just so itchy and raspy today. There's the scooper, and I'll do that too. Let's see what's inside. Like the last time in here, I got the glasses or something for her. Yeah, here, check me out is what the shirt says. Check me out. And if I remember correctly, it was kind of hard to put on, because they're little legs, their big head. Maybe if I keep them down or in regular position. Yeah, there we go. Check me out. She's cute. And a little scooper. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Hopefully I don't have a hard time selling this one now that I've opened it up, but how could I not do it for the video? I mean, look at the sand, it's so cool. It's like bright pink. I don't know if I got bright pink sand with the last one. This sand is nice. I'm keeping all the sands. I was thinking about putting, you know, all of the same colored ones together and could build something with it, or I don't know. Something. I want to do something with it. And there's the glasses that it comes with in there. I dug it all out. This stuff is cool though. Definitely some cool stuff. I have way too much fun with this. They never had stuff like this when I was little. Not this cool. It's like you don't know what you're gonna get. Anticipation, excitement is what's fun about it. Comes with this to hold it with. So now we got both of our LLs, and then we got the Walrus Pikmi Pop we already opened, and then this one. Now, for some reason, I'm under the impression that the rare ones don't have a scent to them, so every time I go to the store, I'm like sniffing this part right here because there's like holes, and if it's scented, you can usually smell it. So this one didn't really smell like anything, but sometimes the bubblegum ones or the marshmallow, like the walrus one was marshmallow, sometimes those ones you can't really smell them. Oh. Snaffle the elephant. Oh man, I already have this one too. Hold on, I'm just gonna go grab it because I'm not gonna open another one, but I'll show you him anyway.